People, the reason why I come back to my place, Wessy Wessy ill-treat me.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Yeah, man, blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers. You know, whether you have vlog on the go, and I'm at the train station, you see me? Yeah, big up all of my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. So you don't know that the vlog is an update with Wessy Wessy and Ghetto Michael Jackson. So eventually after I did the vlog yesterday, I got two videos. One sent to me from Wessy Wessy and one sent to me from a patron. Seeing with Wessy Wessy sent me film video and a patron sent me Ghetto Michael Jackson video. Because I know I'm not aware with the thing that I want. So big up each and everyone who interact with me and help me vlog on the go. I don't know, without you know, there's no show. See? Yes, so see train there behind me. Train that, you see me? So right now I go from south to north London. Near Tottenham Stadium, you know? I'm gonna referee. 8 PM kickoff tonight match. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So get a Michael Jackson talk. I'm not gonna hear what I say. So hear what I say.
People, the reason why I come back to my place, Wessy Wessy ill-treat me. He collect me all of my money and give me no money. He make me wear him daughter slippers. He have my Instagram account and I want my money. I want him to come on the road and him talk big and him not do nothing for me. And him not look about my my TRN and my passport. And him have me over there lock up.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I get to Michael Jackson as I say. So basically come like that Wessy Wessy see then made the Instagram post, then do a video. So basically get to Michael Jackson and say, boy, Wessy Wessy have him lock up over there in a port, when I do not the film of him and wear him daughter slippers and him rob him up, now give him money. And all of these bookings them when get him now give him money, nothing at all. See? Me personally, boy, I don't want it to sound like me I take up for Wessy Wessy. I take up for Ghetto Michael Jackson. I try to speak fairly. When you can comment in the comment section and let me know what you think still. You see what I say? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So we get to Michael Jackson and say, boy, Wessy Wessy have him locked up over there and now do not film. Zine, no bookings, no interview, nothing at all, no money, no clothes. Zine. You see me? Yeah. Yes, I that him I say. Me personally feel like nothing no go so car. I don't feel like Wessy Wessy them make no bag of money or you know. Maybe Wessy Wessy that try to take him to another level, to a bigger platform where he can start travel and them things that which me think would have been possible because I know Wessy Wessy is a man of the game having links. You know what I mean? And he's a traveler. Whereas he's a selector. See? So, place like that, nothing can go on. So, I don't know if I say. I don't want to say much. You see me? I don't know if I say. I don't know if somebody getting in my head. Because really and truly, you know, you have people who don't understand the business, you know. And this come like friends, families. You see me? That might say, look at things go on and feel like you make money, but really and truly the money now make. Because if you see somebody well familiarized and have a name known, you know, around there them feel like say you get money or you're getting robbed. When really and truly the money now make. So maybe the person that will get in and get a Michael Jackson head. You know the business, allegedly, if I true. See? As I say, I don't want to say much still. I get to me and some viewers and subscribers. So I'm going to hear what Wessy Wessy has said now. See? Yeah, so here Wessy Wessy has said.
Yeah, good morning people. My day I go easy. Just wake up to some little news, see me? Be a rumor. Everybody know me stay now. Everybody know Wessy Wessy now. Feed people and take care of people. So there's no way I can have somebody on my foot and in cheat them and make them have what they want. You see me? The man just want to go back to town and just kettle out himself and just gonna be a party. You know, I wait till the place open back. If he can go all about over the world. You know, I wait upon that. He want to go to town, so make him go on a town. I don't have the angle over that. You see me? Yeah, I'm a woman. I don't keep an house for. I don't love man. See me? Stop. Make people tell you yourself and fool my boss. See me? Because everybody know me read for you, and me write for you, and me do interview for you, and me do everything for you. The same girl in the video, in the back line of the video, me know who. Her name is Jackish. Every day she beg me. See? So you don't know. Them can't help you. Them can't do nothing for you. And me respond to everybody, and me boss everybody. Me respond to everybody. The people them know who me is. And me have a Wessy Foundation and give back to people. So why me feel give to people and you down my foot and me not get up and take care of you? You see me? You want to slippers that people, so my daughter slippers you wear. Stop embarrassing yourself here, because everybody know a lie you tell. This way I say now add up. You see me? Can't bring me up. I work hard for everything what me have. Everybody know that. So me work hard for everything what me have. So what you watch if you do? Now I'm gonna work, my brother. You want to go back to town and me run away. You down my foot, you get everything what you want. You want to go back to town, brother. See if you want to go back to town bigger than me. I can't hold on for you, I'm a baby mother, I'm a woman. I hold on for you for you to go on back to town if you want to go back to town. When me fall back at the house, you know, remember me not see you, know, you have your own room, you have everything for yourself in the youth. And you go back to town. And I make people force you for the video for embarrass me. You can embarrass me, youth. I want to hear youth. You're not in a show, you're not in no video ads, you're not in the bookings, you're not going to wear the place locked down. And my money me use do everything for you. But people, I say God, right now I'm not give nobody else. Yo, I don't want nobody DM me in inbox me and tell about who, where's your me from him, I don't bust nobody else. There's more people me give visa, the highlight, and I'm still turning back for me. I want to make sure about my life, I never tell nobody thanks it, you know. And nobody can answer me, never tell them thanks it. You see me? I never tell nobody thanks it. Me, now stop the good. Remember that. Right now, I focus on my kids them. And all I want to give him a chance to him something. Chance upon balloon. I don't want to see him. You see me? I don't want to see him. Because if he can put me down like this, what you feel like? I don't want to see him. I do one thing now, I focus on my kids them. And I have nothing bad to say about him. You see me? How long this I go on for? 1 week and it blow off. And nobody don't want to see you back, brother. And me have all link, all connection for both everybody youth. And I put it to the world. And you can't wait until the place open back. You run Ghana town. Stay down there and let me see if them can help you. I'm alright with me there. I'm good. Respect my people.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I'm here with Wessy Wessy, I say. So Wessy Wessy retaliate back by doing a video. First he made a post on Instagram. Now he did a video stating that he's no longer the manager of Ghetto Michael Jackson and him to stay downtown. I walk up and down and this and that and make people are getting them head. Wessy Wessy say him know the girl as well where I do it. So again, it's allegedly. See? You know when they are just only for speak truth and rights and fairness. See? So Wessy Wessy I say him know the person where I do it, so them can go on and you know I eat that for him, I go water down dead nothing because them not the links, nobody don't know them. So Wessy Wessy I say him do all so much for him, when we have him in a place and have him hungry. As well I say. Him have him in a room. See? So that Wessy Wessy is not happy about the bad propaganda Ghetto Michael Jackson spreading about his name. See me? Well, I tell you story. And again, as me I say, as reiterating it, that's why people don't want to hurt nobody, you see me? Because you do so much and then things throw back in your face. But as me say, I leave it at this, so I don't have much to say about this. Viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, lion and lioness, I would like you all to let me know what you think of this matter in the comment section. See me? And don't forget to please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make someone else watch, listen and hear. Yeah man, I don't know a lion foot. See me? Big up on the damn self. I'm out.
Voice of Imaric song called produce, you don't know. I must say I'm very impressed.
Yo, I'm Malik.
To commend you and say you can
Listen to one from I'm Malik.
mix